students. Hi, Hemashri. Hi, good morning, all of you. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, how are you? Lapita, Ilya, Kritika, Fatima. I'm good, ma. I hope you're all doing well. Fine, fine. Studying for the coming test. I'm fine. I'm very good. Right. So, we had started with monocot root anatomy. Yesterday I gave you the drawing. Did you complete? I am fine here, Sharit. Did you complete the diagram of monocot root? Yes. So what you wrote, did you write explanation or you want me to give now? Because once I give one, it will be easy for you to write the other things. Right? You didn't do it. We have to write, man. Yeah, you have to write. Okay. Did you label all? Again, I don't want to draw the diagram. Okay. No, I will give, if at all you are not written, next time onwards, I want you to write the notes. Okay. Now I will get the information from you only. Write the first side heading. Epiblema, first one, outer line, outline. Diagram you have to do it here. First epiblema. What to write for epiblema? See, every time I don't want to repeat this, you should only write it. Epiblema is a single outermost layer containing flattened parenchyma cells or barrel shaped parenchyma cells. Write it. You start writing on your own. So whatever I said, don't ask me to repeat. What did I say? It's outermost layer of the root with flattened parenchyma cells or barrel shaped parenchyma cells. Then write your own. Don't ask me to repeat and all because it's once I have done it, it's almost same way. Wherever I draw epidermis, epiblema, it's the same, right? It's a flattened. It is the outermost layer containing barrel shaped parenchyma cells. Done. Okay. It has unicellular outgrowths called root hairs. It has unicellular outgrowths called root hairs. I don't wait. You should only write. I don't want to dictate. Because you have drawn already, look at that and draw it. Write it. Yeah, you only write. I'll wait. Next. What's the second layer? I'll not wait for all those who are lagging behind. I'll go with the people who are going fast. Cortex. Yes. It is made up of what? How many layers of parenchyma? 3 to 4 layers of parenchyma tissue. That's it. 3 to 4 layers of parenchyma tissue. Over. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. If you're not well, you go, Jivita. 3 to 4 layered parenchyma tissue. Next, endodermis. Good. What to write? It is the innermost layer of cortex. ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಹಳೇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀರಿ. It's an innermost layer of cortex. Yes. With barrel-shaped parenchyma cells. With barrel-shaped parenchyma cells. Or flattened parenchyma cells. Both are same. Next. What is the thickening you have to write? Yes, write down the same thing. On tangential walls, there are Casparian thickenings. On tangential walls, there are Casparian thickenings. Except what? Except, well, exception is there. Except what? Anyone remembers that? Very good, Napita. Good, good. Napaka chanagi itkontaadu Napita. Passage cells. Except the passage cells. Passage cells are understood. What are passage cells? Are same thing what I have told you already in dicot root. Okay. Except passage cells. Then next, vascular bundles. Sorry, the pericycle. Pericycle, outermost layer of steel. Outermost layer of steel with flat parenchyma cells. Then next, vascular bundles. How are the vascular bundles? How are the vascular bundles? They are polyarc and radial and polyarc. Very good. The radial and polyarc. Write the meaning of polyarc. Radial and polyarc. But the polyarc is the meaning. Meaning of polyarc. Presence of more than 10 xylem and phloem alternating with each other. Presence of more than 10 xylem and phloem alternating with each other. Next, xylem. What to write for xylem? Xylem contains all the elements. What are the elements to write? Xylem contains all the elements. What are the name of elements? Xylem contains all the elements. Tracheids, vessels, mundeno. Xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. I write all of them. Every time, see, now I think you understood how simple is to write the explanation. Is it not right? Not even guess easy ag neevange helta idira. Nan notes kodta idare neevu hange na helidin barkondu kootirtiddi. Now you are only writing, right? Yes. Yes, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. All of the four you write. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ xylem arrangement is what's the arrangement of xylem? How is xylem arrangement? Exarch. Very good. So what all you have to remember anta illi nodi. So vascular bundles, radial, polyarc ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ more than 10 xylem and phloem alternating with each other. ಆಮೇಲೆ xylem is exarch. Phloem, next, phloem contains all the elements of phloem. What are the elements of phloem? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ conjunctive tissues. Elements ಬರೀ first. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್. What are the elements of phloem? Yes, sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. Very good. Yeah, very good. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. Done. Done. Next, conjunctive tissue. What is conjunctive tissue? Now you should be fast. ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ you are already experienced in the class. Yeah, it's undifferentiated parenchyma present between xylem and phloem. Very good, very good, very good. Correct. Tejaswini Gapita has written. Others also should be knowing this. It is nothing Brahma Vidya nalla, idu ellarigu barabeku. Is undifferentiated parenchyma between xylem and phloem. Baradra. Next ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಪಿತ್. ಪಿತ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Pith is the central part of monocot root. It is large. It is large with loosely arranged parenchyma. Loosely arranged, very good, ma. Loosely arranged parenchyma. Aita, that's all about the monocot root. Did you understand how simple it is? Are you feeling it simple? One sati niಮಗೆ monocot ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now let's start with the stem. Okay, let's begin with the stem now. Okay, listen. The stem anatomy I give you now. First, I'll start with the dicot stem anatomy. So, example I'll take. What's the example? Helianthus annum. Underline them separately. Rules, right? So, dicot stem. If I take the section in ground plan, observe the diagram properly. It's a little big diagram, so you'll have to watch it properly. Circular outline. When you take the stem, it is above the ground, no? It will be exposed to light. Therefore, it should be protected. So, the plant will, the stem outer layer will be covered. Okay, round aagta illa nange. This is actually outer layer is called epidermis, not epiblema. It is called epidermis. Okay, and on this you find the thin coat of cuticle. Waxy layer will be there. It is called as a cuticle. Yakandre it is wax ka irodrinda there will not be any damage by light. This is called the cuticle. Cuticle ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ multicellular hairs ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. It's not like root hairs. You are drawing multicellular hairs. Are you getting? Stem hairs are multicellular. They are called trichomes. Trichome is a multicellular hair. Okay, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Okay, next. Come to the next layer. Of the stem has to stand erect, no? So it should have a supportive tissue. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ. That is done by the collenchyma layer. There will be another layer made up of collenchyma below the epidermis. This is called hypodermis. Normally it is made up of collenchyma. Okay, then comes a cortex. Then there is a stele. Stele andre helidalva cortex inner layer anta. Ille endodermis inda shuru agtane stele nimage gottu. Endodermis is wavy in nature. Very important is wavy endodermis. Okay, idu cortex idu. Cortex made up of parenchyma. Idu matra wavy. Endodermis is wavy in nature. Nodkoli wavy bardide ನಾನು. ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ವೆಡ್ಜ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಡ್ಜ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್. Many you ought to write, minimum around 7 plus something you should wrong. They are wedge shaped vascular bundles, not pointed, wedge shaped. Okay, they are vascular bundles. These are the vascular bundles. This is pericycle. Not this is endodermis actually. What I have done is endodermis. Now what happens is, on each of the bundle there will be a cap-like structure formed by the pericycle. Pericycle form the cap-like structure on each vascular bundle. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Watch properly. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇನು ಮಿಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಪಾಳ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Whenever I am drawing, you are not concentrating. ಅಂದ್ರೆ how can you understand? This one is called as a bundle cap. Vascular bundle ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದು. ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು bundle cap ಅಂತ. It is made up of sclerenchyma tissue. ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂಡಲ್, ಅಪರ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ xylem, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ phloem, because there is a conjoined collateral open bundle. In between there is cambium. ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು cambium ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ xylem ಇರುತ್ತೆ. protoxylem at the center, metaxylem at the periphery. ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಈ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ? Endark xylem ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Xylem is at the center and it is endark xylem. Okay, so what are these? This is xylem, this is cambium, this is phloem. See ಸಣ್ಣದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. phloem ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಬರೋದು ಪಿತ್. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದಿಷ್ಟೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ತಿಳಿತೈತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈಗ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಿಸನ್. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್. ಸಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್. You are drawing flat. Don't draw flat. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. This is epidermis. Cells are flat, barrel-shaped parenchyma cells, covered by a cuticle. This is cuticle, shaded, and there will be stem hair, multicellular hairs there. These are trichomes. Then comes hypodermis made up of collenchyma. 1 to 2 layers of collenchymatous hypodermis. Hypodermis collenchyma ಬರದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓವಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ಥಿಕನ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೆಕ್ಟಿನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಥಿಕ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಕ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಕೂಡ್ದು. Did you get this? Only corners should show the thickenings. This is pectin. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ? collenchymatous hypodermis. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು parenchymatous cortex. parenchyma circle cells ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಲೈನ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒನ್ ಇದು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಫ್ಎಸ್ಆರ್ಎಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್. 1, 2, 3 ಕಡೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, then sometimes you get resin in this. ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಲವಕ್ಕೆ. resin ducts ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. they will have certain resin stored. this is a resin duct. this is parenchymatous cortex. ಹೌದಾ? resin ducts ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಧ್ಯ. ಹೀಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, then comes the wavy endodermis. ಏನ್ sometimes absent? I didn't understand. Okay, observe the vascular bundle. I'm showing you when the wavy endodermis, and again cell should be flat, barrel shaped parenchyma cells. Flattened cells very weakly, endodermis. Observe properly. Again and again, don't ask me. Madam, matta repeat madina, repeat madina. Nodkonta iri ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Just concentrate. See, now I am filling up the cells. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ fill up ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Then one vascular bundle I will enlarge. Full. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Okay? ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು vascular bundle ಅಂದ್ರೆ first ಏನಿದೆ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಲೆರೆನ್ಕೈಮಾ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಇದು ಬಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಲೆರೆನ್ಕೈಮಾ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪೆರಿಸೈಕಲ್ ಹೌದಾ ಇದು ಬಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ಲೋಯಂ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಫ್ಲೋಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯೂ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. This is tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. Yella baribekilla hege. Okay, this is phloem tissue. Always you should write like this only. Phloem. Okay. Then comes the cambium. Cambium cell should be flat. And they should be having dividing nucleus. Well, the nucleus very big. See how detailed and things I am writing. This is cambium. Okay. Kelagade xylem barutte. Xylem hegide metaxylem at the periphery. Protoxylem towards the center. One or two such strips I am drawing. But draw them attached to each other. Don't draw them separately. This is xylem. Remaining all xylem elements don't end this. So show some other cells here. Here and there. These are nothing but xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Don't just leave them like that. You should show the cells. Never leave any space empty. So this is xylem and all the elements you need to draw. Done. This is one vascular bundle. It's very big. And half you have to write here also, right? And between the bundle. So you must take all the sclerenchyma ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ full complete ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇದು bundle cap ಇದು next bundle ಇದು bundle cap ಇದು ಆಮೇಲೆ phloem tissue ಬರೀತೀನಿ sieve tubes companion cell phloem parenchyma phloem fibers okay done this is about the phloem then half I draw the cambium half I am drawing because I am showing half bundle only here then I am drawing half of the xylem one or two bundles. See this other the barithi ನೋಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ okay remaining cells you should draw like this okay all the cells whatever I drawn you remember this way only one bundle this way only you should write everywhere two bundles ಅಲ್ಲಿ one full ಬರಿಬೇಕು at least one half ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಒಂದೇ bundle ಬಟ್ ಬಿಡೋ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ this is the xylem okay now between the bundles at the bundle cap area you get some parenchyma cells and parenchyma cells as you go down these parenchyma cells elongate these become elongated parenchyma like this they help in communicating these are called medullary rays. Very important word I'm using. Medullary rays. ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು medullary rays ಅಂತ. Okay. Then comes centrally a parenchymatous pith. This is pith. Did you understand this? This drawing is very important for you. Understand dipod stem is the most asked question. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಟ್ರೈಕೋಮಾ, ಟ್ರೈಕೋಮ್, ಇದು ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್, okay, ಇದು ಕ್ಯೂಟಿಕಲ್, the hypodermis, okay, this whole thing is cortex. This is endodermis. Endodermis has number of starch grains on them. This is also called as starch sheath or starch layer. Endodermis ಮೇಲೆ starch ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It's a bundle cap made up, actually it is sclerenchymatous and it is a part of pericycle. Pericycle ಅಂದ್ರೆ endodermis ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ pericycle. Even this is sclerenchyma pericycle. In between also this is parenchyma pericycle. It's a multi-layered layer, multi-layered tissue with sclerenchyma above the bundle, parenchyma between the bundles. And this is medullary ray. Very important what I'm saying. The elongated parenchyma cells, they help in communicating cortex and the pith. Communication way. Okay. Coming to each vascular bundle, this part is phloem. This is cambium with the prominent nucleus and the dividing it. ಇದು xylem. ಇದು pith. ಇಷ್ಟು drawing ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು, some of the stems get color. This is called the resin duct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ right heading dipod stem. Start drawing. Dipod stem, example Helianthus annum. This is xylem. Xylem ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This is xylem. Are you writing? So it's the most favorite question for all. ಬಹಳ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. Start drawing. Are you writing? What's the time you require to tell me? How much time you want for this? Come on, all of you. ನಾನು ಕೊಡೋದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ it will be a last question to in the main examination paper. 5 minutes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, we will see. 8 minutes ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, exactly 12 ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. 12:08 ಗೆ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. 8 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, 12:08 ಗೆ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ. Last question will be, you will be having no time. Biology, you know already, is very descriptive. Done. It's almost 9 minutes I waited. So right now not required. You are done for yourself. No, enough. Done. 2 minutes. Anjan Shetty is saying. Okay, 2 minutes exactly ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12:11 ಆಯ್ತೀಗ. 1 minute is saying. Okay, in 1 minute wait ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Abhigna, I'm waiting, ma. How long, ma? Abhigna, I'm waiting. You tell me how much I should wait. Abhigna, I'm waiting dear. No, draw properly, aram se. Because this is a major diagram. After this, there are no such big diagrams are there. They are very simple diagrams. Next on. This is a one little quite big diagram. No issue, dear Vigna, you're right. This takes time, I know it. But still, you can little hurry up. See, once you draw this, you have no issues in practicals. Aram you can draw these same diagrams in your records also. Because in practical record, same diagrams will come. 3 minutes, ಯಾರ ಸುಜಲ್ 8 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದವ್ ನೀನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 8 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮುಗಿದು 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಇನ್ನ 3 minutes 12:15 ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ 12:15 No, not required. Today you don't show me. It's a little quite big one. Later you can finish it also. Write down points on this. Don't show it anything. Keep it drawing. Okay, write down. Dicot stem in TS shows circular outline. Circular outline with following parts. First one, epidermis. It is single layer, outermost layer, single layer and outermost layer. And contain flattened parallel shaped flattened parenchyma cells and contain flattened parenchyma cells. Okay, flattened parenchyma cells. Next line you write cuticle. Cuticle. It is a thin waxy coating on epidermis. It's a thin waxy coating on epidermis. It consists of the chemical cutin. It consists of chemical cutin. Cutin. It helps in protecting the stem from heating. It protects the stem from heating. See, whenever somebody asks the question, others should only answer. I have repeated 2-3 times actually. If somebody asks the questions, no, if you see it on the screen, you answer him. Because I am getting tired of repeating the things. Answer to him. Yeah, see that. Now on, if at all you have written it, you those who ask repeat, you please write it. Wax coating. On epidermis that help in protecting it from heating. Yeah, it consists of cutin. Good, correct. Chemical cutin. Chemicals are chemical cutin. Stop. It helps in protecting the stem from heating. Good. Heating. Correct. Yarar gottilla baritaro nodi. Listen, all of you, don't keep on writing unless they will ask you. Madam, repeat and takshana yaar gottirte adu bardu bidi. Next. Trichome side heading. These are multicellular stem hairs. These are multicellular stem hairs. Next, hypodermis. Hypodermis. It is a layer found below epidermis. Below epidermis. And it consists of 2 to 3 layered collenchyma. 2 to 3 layered collenchyma. Next, cortex. What is the tissue in cortex? What is the tissue in cortex? Yes. Madam, it is made up of 5 to 6 layered parenchyma tissue. Five to 6 layered parenchyma tissue. Next, cortex contain resin ducts. Cortex contain resin ducts. Next, endodermis. Endodermis. It is wavy. It is wavy. It is wavy, made up of single layered, barrel shaped parenchyma cells. Barrel shaped parenchyma cells. And it stores starch. And it stores starch. Therefore, it is also called starch sheath. Next, pericycle. It is multi-layered. It is multi-layered. It forms sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. It forms sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. On vascular bundles. And it is parenchymatous between the vascular bundles. It forms sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. Sorry, bundle cap. I'm sorry. Bundle cap on vascular bundles. And it is parenchymatous between vascular bundles. Next, Vascular bundles. In dicot stem, large number of vascular bundles surround the pith. And such steel is called U steel. Such steel is called U steel. What is U steel? In dicot stem, vascular bundles are arranged around the pith. So it is called, such steel is called U steel. Star mark haki U steel ge keltare sumaru sarti neat nallalanu keltare. What is U steel anta? Such steel is called U steel. What is U steel in the large number of vascular bundles are arranged around the pith. In dicot stem, it is called U steel. Brother? Next, each vascular bundle is, what type of bundles you get in dicot stem? Tell me. Description of vascular bundle in dicot stem. Hey, Nodana. Each vascular bundle in dicot stem is very Nodana. Collateral and Bardre. Sumna on the Alangala Badburthinigana. Wrong. Take the vascular bundle Bardino Godiali. I am saying so many things about vascular bundle. I am saying so lightly and writing something nonsense. Check the vascular bundle of dicot stem. What you have written? You can't just write like that, ma. See what I have given you. 4 xylem 4 ply. Wrong. Wrong. Radial tetrarcha. Rukaya, where are you? It's in the root. I am talking dicot stem. 4 xylem 4. When did I tell you that? Dicot stem. Look at the board and also check the vascular bundles. You people are all, you are not studying anything. Dayarkanta, Varshita, you people are waste. Rukaya, Chandrakala, not something nickel, something and all you are writing. Yeah, Vajnesh and conjoined collateral open is correct. Vajnesh Rao is correct. Radial is wrong. Napita, what happened to you? Radial. What happened to you? You are not studying. Huh? You should study. Don't write this. Not radial. Only Vajnesh write properly. Wrote properly. Conjoined collateral. Endark is xylem. Conjoined collateral and closed baribeku Savita. Napita and all you are not studying. If you don't study like that, then you will not be able to answer. Conjoined collateral open. What happened, Nabita? You are saying radial and all. Radial is 100% wrong. And others have not gone through only. Write it. What to write you should only know. Tell me. I will not dictate it. Already I have done it. Did you write? Conjoined collateral open. Full stop. Next. Xylem. Saturday. It shows all the elements. Right, elements. Arrangement of xylem is all elements, 4 elements ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಬರಿತೀರಿ 4 elements ಅದೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Tracheids, vessels, xylem, parenchyma, xylem fibers. Arrangement is end arc. Done? Right. Varsha correct. Then phloem. It is found beneath the bundle cap, or it is found below the bundle cap. It consists of the elements. All elements ಬರೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You write it. Tubes, comparison, phloem, parenchyma, phloem fibers. Next, cambium. It is a meristematic tissue found between xylem and phloem. It is a meristematic tissue found between xylem and phloem. It helps in secondary growth. Therefore, vascular bundles are open. Therefore, vascular bundles are open. Done? Next one, medullary rays. Medullary rays. These are elongated parenchyma cells present between the vascular bundles. These help in communication between cortex and the pith. Between cortex and pith. Done? Next, pith. It is a central part with large parenchyma cells. It's a central large part, right? It's a central large part with parenchyma cells or parenchyma tissue. Tissue is a group. Then, okay, finished all of you? Okay, we'll now talk about the monocot stem. I'm erasing this. See, you should be very happy because this is helping you in the practicals as well as theory. When the lockdown opens, you will not have to struggle in the lab. Everything will be knowing already. Now we'll talk about the monocot stem anatomy. Example, what you are learning? Zea mays. Okay. So monocot stem in transverse section. Again, look circular in ground plan. Okay. It has a thick cuticle. You would have seen the maize stem and all will be very shining because they will have a lot of cuticle in the on the epidermis. This is a cuticle. Okay. Then below this you get the hypodermis, actually made up of sclerenchyma tissue. Okay. This is cuticle, epidermis. This is hypodermis. Hypodermis is normally made up of 2 to 3 layered sclerenchyma tissue. Okay. Next, actually, you should get all those, no, cortex, endodermis and all. Actually, all these are absent in this. Next, only there is a parenchyma tissue. We call it the ground tissue. In that, vascular bundles just scattered in such a way that smaller bundles are towards periphery, larger at the center. And observe how I am drawing. Vascular bundles are like this. They look like human skull, skull shaped. As you go inside, the bundle should be larger. If you are outside, they should not be having any line of arrangement. They'll be just round. Got it? As you go inside, the bundles become bigger. Okay? These vascular bundles, when you are drawing them bigger, they will have human skull-shaped structure only. 2 eye-like xylem, metaxylem, 2 protoxylem, 1 or 2, and there will be a cavity. It looks like a human skull. Okay? Can you understand? Each one should be having 2 big proto and metaxylem and a cavity. Metaxylem, protoxylem and a cavity. Xylem and cavity. So this should look like human skull only. But they should face the center. Okay? If you are drawing the bundles over here, they should face the center. Yearly metaxylem, yearly protoxylem. If you are drawing them at the periphery, this side, they should face the center. Remember this way. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದು. Bundles are like human skull only. Okay? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ xylem ಇದು. Okay? Then phloem will be found at the head, forehead area. Very small phloem. This phloem is okay? These are the vascular bundles. So each look like a human skull. All these are vascular bundles. They are thrown in the ground tissue. This is called the ground tissue. And this arrangement where the vascular bundles are just thrown or randomly arranged is called as atactostele. Very important word I am using. Atactostele. In dicot stem we have got U-stele. Here it is atactostele. Okay. This is a complete vascular bundle. with xylem here and the phloem over here. And there will be a cavity. This is a cavity. It is called as lysigenous cavity. Okay, that's all. There's no endodermis, no pericycle, no pith, nothing. No cortex also. Okay. Now I'm giving you enlarged section. How to draw an enlarged section. Again, I showed you the outline should be like this. Don't draw flat outline. And show the barrel-shaped parenchyma cells. Like this. And there should be a thick cuticle. This is cuticle, you shade this. I can't shade, so I'm showing dot dots. You don't show dot dots. Show the shading here. Then comes hypodermis made up of sclerenchyma. You know how to draw sclerenchyma tissue. They're angular. Okay. 2 to 3 layered. And these should be having double layer. Show the 2-layer thickenings. It's a sclerenchyma. You already know how to draw sclerenchyma. Angular double layered area. So it's a sclerenchyma tissue, you know it. Okay. Then remaining all is parenchyma tissue. This is a ground tissue. Loosely held. Okay. One of the bundle I will enlarge. Not all of them. One of the vascular bundle I will enlarge and show you. This looks like a human skull. A shape barbebeku. Then there are 2 large metaxylons found here. Look like the eyes. 1 or 2 protoxylons are found attached to each other. This is a metaxylon. This is a protoxylon. And some of the protoxylon units are broken down and forming a cavity. This is called the lysigenous cavity. Okay. Then at the forehead region, you are supposed to draw the phloem tissue with the sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Very little phloem. Like this. Okay. Then what all the other things? All over here you get the sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. The complete vascular bundle is surrounded by the sclerenchyma tissue. Not only here, throughout. Now your work is only to draw the sclerenchyma tissue all over here. Although you get some parenchyma here. Few 1 or 2 parenchyma cells should draw here, but remaining mostly you will get the sclerenchyma tissue. This is called the bundle sheath. It is surrounding the vascular bundle. That's what the name bundle sheath. See this vascular bundle, I am showing the complete bundle surrounded by sclerenchyma tissue. Very few parenchyma will be there in the center. Remaining all is the bundle sheath. So you should draw patiently the bundle sheath, which is sclerenchymatous in nature. like this. This is a bundle sheet. Okay. Don't show the outline like this. At the end, outline should not be there. There will not be any lining like this. Okay. Just you have to show some squaring I have to show over here. This is about the one bundle. You should draw all this. Okay. Darken the xylem, metaxylem, protoxylem. Okay. So let me label remaining things and show you the details. Remaining all this is parenchyma surrounding this. Don't leave it like this. Show all over here parenchyma. It is a ground tissue. Surrounding the bundle, there is a ground tissue. See, I am showing you how to draw. Everybody would have been observing it. It's so simple, right? This is the ground tissue. So what are these? This is the epidermis. This is a cuticle. This is hypodermis. These are all vascular. This the whole thing is one vascular bundle, and this is ground tissue. So let us label each and everything. The upper portion where I drawn the cells dark one. This is phloem. This is metaxylem. These are the protoxylem units. Darken the protoxylem like this. This is called as the lysigenous cavity. Actually, xylem only will break down protoxylem and form the cavity. It's called lysigenous cavity. It is also called as the protoxylem cavity. And this is the ground tissue. Okay. This much you should draw. And the remaining whole big thing is the bundle sheet. This whole thing is the bundle sheet. Draw it now, all of you. Start drawing. 5 minutes you can complete. It's 50. 10 minutes are there for you. 12:50 ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 o'clock ತನಕ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. Are you drawing? Start ಚಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 20 minutes 20 minutes It's a simple diagram compared to the previous one. ಹಳೇದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ 20 minutes 10 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಬರೀರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀರಿ. ಪ್ರೋಟೋಜೈಲಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಾರ್ಕನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ఇది పేరుదల పారంకైమ, protoxylem. Sir, start drawing, all of you. writing. Draw it. Let me see. It will be actually it is simple than that. Dicot stem ginta ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. 20 minutes ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. 2:30 ಅಷ್ಟೋ ತನಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Because I don't want you to leave it half. ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? How many have escaped already? 81 members are there. What was the starting number? 99, huh? 10 ಜನ ಹೊಡೆದಾರೆ ಅಂತ 10ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 1 or 2 ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. Okay, Humaira, you can leave. Show me drawing, Humaira. Let me see the drawing. 1 second, I'll just watch it. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, done. रवि सूर्य आयतु अरे यार ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಲೇಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡು ನಾನು ಏರಿಯಲ್ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರ್ದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಲ್ ತರ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಶೇಪ್ ನೋಡು ಶೇಂಗಾ ಬೀಜ ಬರ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಸ್ಕಲ್ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರ್ಸು ಅಯ್ಯ ಎಂತ ಇದು ಅದೇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಲೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಮ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ redraw that vascular bundle not correct urgent ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಡೋಣ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ hey Arjun don't clap show me your drawing Arjun show drawing Arjun Priyanka is showing ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ around the vascular bundle has showed the line he left he is one kind of waste boy I think Anjan Shetty is showing okay ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಲ್ ಏನೋ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂಗುಲಾರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಗುಡ್ ಓಕೆ ರವಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ರೀಡ್ Shalini, show me. I told you shade the cuticle. ನನಗೆ shade ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು shade ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, good it is. Drawing is nice. Next. Okay. Xylem ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು but it's very nice. Good dear. Good Shalini, it's nice. Camera is not clear, huh? Okay, it's okay, no issue. Anusha is showing drawing. Okay. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It's okay. ಸರಿ ಮಾ. Okay. Done. It's fine. Tanushri, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, good. ಈ ತರ ತನುಶ್ರೀ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕಮ್ಮ. ದೊಡ್ಡ xylem-ಗಳನ್ನ. Good dear. This is good. Nice. That's very good. You can leave, Anjan Shetty, you can leave. Those are short can leave. Bye, ma. I am waiting for you only. Anusha is showing. Arey yaar, Anusha, that line should not be there. Listen, this line ನಾನು ತೆಗೆದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಲೈನ್ ಬರಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. Okay? Okay. Kirtana, nothing is seen. Varshita, and you? Kansala. Okay. Ada enlarged portion also Varshita. Okay, good one. That's good. Okay, others can. I am leaving now. I am ending the meeting. Okay. Bye all of you. Neha also drawn well. Okay, good ma. Enlarged section also. Sorry. See you. Bye then all of you. Bibi Rukaya is showing. I can see the rooftop. Top of your roof I can see. Your head is in. You put one towel on your head. Okay, ma. Okay, this is okay, Varshi. Neha is okay. Neha, fine. Bibi Rukaya, it's good. Okay, see you then. I am ending the meeting. Okay. Bye, all of you. See you.